Top headlines for the day. Ever since a tabloid broke the story of Salman Khan dating Firang chick Yulia Ventor, gossip mongers haven't stopped speculating and even creating stories that too with updates. If the report is to be believed, Salman's marriage is scheduled to take place soon. Stop giggling, it's quite possible. After the jewelry store launch at Dubai, the Dabangg Khan headed to a hotel where he addressed the media in a group session. At the press conference, he got candid and spoke about his films, fans and about the brand. Amidst all the jokes and fun, he also spoke on marriage, family and kids, details of which we will reveal later. Boy, Salman के केस में कुछ भी हो सकता है. Whatever the truth actually is, we are happy for our favorite star if he has finally decided to settle down in matrimonial bliss. Please don't disappoint us this time, Salumia. So is social media all about putting someone down or is it to get interactive with the world? This remains major sawal in the minds of many with the recent controversy over Sonam Kapoor's pic on Instagram. Yes, you heard us right, Sonam Kapoor. So is this the best way the actress could come back to public view for her khoobsurat chehra is not perhaps doing any better for her? What kicked up a fuss was the pic of horses being towed away in truck and her caption, "Cruel happens only in India." Hey presto, we have a string of comments ready for the starlet on Instagram. So what is about this stuff? Well, people feel Sonam can better involve herself doing something about it rather than commenting on it. All of us are well aware about Sonam's lackluster roles which never seem to break away. Let us see how well her peer guys manage this unwanted outburst. Everyone does things in style in Bollywood, whether it is actors, villains or singers. Our Khufia bird comes with the masala about Daler Mehendi buying a Porsche worth rupees 1.5 crores. Whoopee! Socho, having a gold mine you can ride on. Whoa, that's something, है ना? So this is what the Darde Rabdi star got after so many years of exercising his vocal cords. Not bad after all, what say? So wasn't he also involved in some major masala with the police? But who cares? Right now he's enjoying this ride on the Porsche and that's rocking. Daler, famous for his quick rise to popularity way back in 90s, still is a very much popular figure amongst his fans. Today with the purchase of this extravagant vehicle, he has become a hero. So let us guess who Daler would take in this car. Maybe Baby Doll who would sing Sone Di. This indeed is an eye-popper, alright. With so much to do, Daler's hands are full and we have a handful to give him when we meet him next. More tidbits and more masala. Music duos and stars go hand in hand. They are an inseparable pair. Don't we know how Rajesh Khanna had paired with Lakshmikant Pyarelal, for example? The present-day music duo Vishal Shekhar did well with SRK in most of his films like Ra.One, Chennai Express and the very recent Happy New Year. So what went wrong between them that made SRK decide on Preetham for his upcoming flick with Rohit Shetty? Maybe they played too smart for him and we know how King Khan does not like people messing around with him. Don't we remember the Yo-Yo Honey Singh case where SRK is rumored to have got miffed? Well, our Khufia bird brings us news and we share it with you. Nothing is credible in Bollywood, hai na? Till we find out what went wrong with Vishal Shekhar, keep listening from us.